Why do so many people experience a sense of emptiness even when surrounded by material comforts and outward success? This paradox raises profound questions about the nature of fulfillment and the human search for meaning. Despite having access to resources and conveniences, individuals often find themselves feeling adrift, disconnected, or uncertain about their purpose. The existential void refers to this deep feeling of being lost, a gap that material possessions alone cannot fill. As we begin to explore this concept, we delve into the underlying reasons why comfort and achievement sometimes fail to satisfy our deeper needs. Understanding the existential void sets the stage for a broader discussion about what truly brings meaning to our lives. Viktor Frankl introduced the concept of the existential vacuum to describe a pervasive sense of emptiness and meaninglessness that many individuals experience. According to Frankl, this vacuum arises when people lack a clear sense of purpose or direction in their lives. In an effort to escape this inner void, individuals often turn to distractions, such as constant entertainment, the pursuit of pleasure, or an overemphasis on work. While these activities may temporarily alleviate feelings of emptiness, they seldom lead to genuine fulfillment. Frankl argued that true satisfaction comes not from fleeting diversions, but from discovering meaningful goals and values. Without this deeper sense of meaning, the existential vacuum persists, leaving individuals searching for something more. In the face of existential emptiness, it is meaning that offers a way forward. Rather than avoiding the void, we can choose to confront it directly, transforming uncertainty into opportunity. By seeking purpose in our actions, relationships, and passions, we fill the emptiness with significance. Each individual has the capacity to shape their own meaning, creating a life that resonates with fulfillment. Ultimately, it is through this pursuit of purpose that we overcome the void and discover a deeper sense of belonging in the world.